that we're building a new type, a new generation of aviation company. You can think of this similar to what Tesla did when they built their technology stack and the vertical integration and what that's meant for electric vehicles. You can think about this as what SpaceX has done in space by integrating the design, the manufacturing, and the testing in a tight loop. You can do things that are really transformational. You can move faster and accelerate the pace of progress and create a positive change in the world that has never been possible before. And we're bringing that to aviation. I hope that was like viscerally clear. The other piece is I really want to emphasize what Bonnie talked about, which is our culture and the way our team works together, the heart that everybody shows up with each and every day, from our kitchen teams to our janitorial staff to our facilities teams, all the folks that work in the back office, Matt's team on finance, the people team, the IT team, all of these folks that make the incredible engineering that you saw possible. This is the heart, this is the soul of the company. The DNA that we're building with the vertical integration, whether that's on the engineering and manufacturing side, but also in the work that Eric and his team are doing on the product and the technology stack that makes the whole airline run. The work that Bonnie's team is doing on the air operations and thinking about our partnership with Delta and how powerful that is. The work we're doing on infrastructure and pulling all of these pieces together to deliver really amazing experiences of being able to move people from where they are to the airport, seamlessly integrating it into their trips. So again, we're building a company for the long term. Our partnerships have shown that again and again and again. Huge shout out to the Justin and the business development team on the partnerships that whether it was with Uber, with Toyota, with Delta, with the DoD, we build partnerships that are good for our partners, that are good for Joby, and that are great for our customers, and that are bringing this fantastic future forward quickly. Again, can't thank each and every one of you enough for everything you've done, for coming today, for all of your support. We're building a movement, and it's happening together. Really, really grateful. Hope it was an amazing day for you. Our flight test team absolutely knocked it out of the park. The weather cooperated, and really, really can't thank each and every one of you enough. Have a spectacular lunch. Please enjoy the simulator. The simulators, learn how incredible it is, how much we've improved the piloting experience, and enjoy the Skyport, enjoy lunch. Thank you again. Have a spectacular day.
Was that amazing? The first woohoo was Joe Ben. That has been his life's passion. Is diligently spent on that. And he believes it's really loud. And I keep telling him, it's the most amazing thing I've ever seen every time we fly this airplane.